Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Here we go, folks. About to hit it hard. Time to tear into the interior stuff and get this thing rolling. I see there's a couple more bits I need. I need the hydraulic line for the clutch. I'm missing the screw here. I'm missing the line there. I'm missing the clip there. And I'm missing this circle ring clip here. So hopefully I got some of that stuff in my car. Ooh, still got brake fluid in it. Taking this center console out, and I got a heater cord to replace. Everything on the inside is ready except for that little drain line. We're going to get one of those from the salvage yard, but we're going to put this car back together so we can drive it out of here. Leave that for later. I found my phone. It was missing for like 3 hours. Good news is this car is ready to crank. We got everything somewhat together. It should fire right up. So we're going to have Andrew loan us the jump box so we can put the jump box on it. And then Maddie's going to prime the fuel system. And then I'm going to tell her when to fire it up. And when it fires up, we're going to let it idle for a few minutes. And we're going to have a contest, see who gets carbon monoxide poisoning first between the three of us. And then when one of us pass out, we'll shut the car down and put the rest of it together. There's some stuff under the hood that's not quite right. The fan is not secure. Then we got a clutch slave cylinder, not been bled, not installed. And we got the stuff under the dash here, needs to be put together. Power amp, stuff like that. It should start. So let me get a jump box and get this train rolling. On 5 seconds. Off 5 seconds, on 5 seconds. For some reason, somebody had the fuse to the fuel pump pulled. They tested me, man. I don't need no test. I need this car to start. I heard fuel come up here that time. Wait, it was almost full. Do it one more time. Whoa! We got a fuel leak, folks. That's why we hear it. Took a little piece out of this fuel line. We're going to go to auto parts store, try to get something to temporarily repair it. That fuel line bolts in right here, and it goes back under this plastic guard to fuel filter right here. So you put something in between the fuel filter and the fuel line, and you pry out like a hook needle nose pliers or something. That releases the fuel lock inside the connector and slide that right off. Occasionally you might have one of those break when you have rust and corrosion, but normally they come right off. Replace that line. That's a 10-15 minute job. Fuel line on this Volvo is nylon. It has a rubber coating on there to protect it. Somehow it got damaged, so we got this union and some nylon here. Caution, fuel flammable. So this is fuel line stuff. That's the date on it. 3500K, whatever that means. Anyway, we're going to put a connector there, because we had 2 pieces of damaged line. We're going to bridge it. So I'm going to trim this rubber off of here so I can put one of those connectors there and put one of these there. Then we're going to fire this car up and test it. And this is what we picked up. Dorman quick disconnect nylon fuel line repair kit 800-064. Has 2 sizes in there, a 7 to 9 and the 9.5. We're going to use the smaller of the 2. And then these are the connectors we got, 7 to 9. We're going to use 1, 2 came in the kit. So that's where we're at. Let's get this done. No fuel leaking. We got a little bit of noisy lifter action here in the oil is contaminated with coolant probably through that radiator. You're going to have to do a couple oil changes. So I'm not sure why the R's in 98 had T6 on the back of the engine. Is there anything special about that? This car is pretty much back together. I'm going to put the timing belt cover on, timing belt sticker, and max out this coolant flow. Start this thing up, run it for about 20 minutes, and Maddie will be out of here. We went and found these clip rings at Ace Hardware, and the one in the middle fits. So we won. That button right there.
This?
Yeah. It should say miles to empty.
It says none. Well,
it says 0? What's it say?
It's just a bunch of dashes.
Oh, so the switch is bad. Turn the switch to somewhere else. Is it doing anything?
Yeah, I changed it so it picks up the temperature, picks up miles.
Or maybe it just don't know yet. Or maybe it went past 0. All right, let's go, Maddie. See if you got reverse, baby. There it is. All right, sometimes if it hesitates going in reverse, go first, then reverse. Whoa, 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 whoa. You're not going the way I thought you would go. All right, hold on. Let me move some of my stuff. Like, where is she going? I thought she was going to back out. It's okay. They are. Oh, no. Come on now. You can get out now. Yeah, come on. Watch that engine up front.
You're good.
All right, back up till it sounds expensive. Whoa. Man, that's squeaky. You got brakes? I guess you got brakes. The third brake light's not working. Did she hit the brakes yet? Yep, it works. Solano Community College pulled through. And look, we got that big old mess cleaned up. We only lost one tool I know of. We got to check, see if we could find that tool. Woo! So what are you thinking, Maddie?
Dude, it's awesome. This is better than I anticipated.
Cool.
I'm just excited we got it started.
So you looking forward to maybe doing some other project with me in the future?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
So you heard it yourself from Maddie. I didn't get fired. Job security.
Yeah, it works. It runs, it drives, it stops, it starts. Well, it doesn't start. But that's just because of the battery.
That's a battery situation. And we got that fuel situation squared away too.
Yep.
Got to get that taken care of. So we are done for the night. I'm not even going to tell y'all what time it is. I'm sleeping in tomorrow. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.